How do you face the coronavirus threat in style? Ask actress and Politiko wife Heart Evangelista-Escudero. In a video on Instagram, the wife of Sorsogon Governor Cheese Escudero showed how to style one's own face mask.
And wala akong choice. We are making ourselves fashionably safe. But this isn't the one, so kailangan mo siya lagyan ng filter. And we're using all of our old ribbons.
Mrs. Escudero hand-stitched layers of mask and trimmed it with Chanel and Hermes designer ribbons.
And I think it looks really good with the gray. So that's what we're doing.
Some netizens followed her creative DIY lesson, which Heart shared on IG.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.